Alright everybody, I cleaned up just a little bit, got some of the tools up, differential out, the drive shaft is hanging, part of the exhaust is hanging, so all I really need to do is work on taking the axles out, and I should be pretty much good to go. We're going to get right into it. Alright you guys, so I already did the other side, I'm getting ready to do this side. I didn't record the other side because it's basically the same exact thing you're going to be doing on both sides. So first, and I'm going to do this side. I already took out all the lug nuts for the wheels, so the wheel is pretty much ready to come out. Oh, I lied. I got one more nut in there holding the wheel on. So once all the studs are out, you take the wheel off, or once all the nuts are out, sorry, you take the wheel off. Fix the wheel there. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do to get to the axle is there's a little cotter pin here. Not a cotter pin, I guess you could call it a cotter pin. You want to take that off. You got to bend it straight so you're able to pull it out, and you can take that thing off right there. So I'm going to get some tools and I'm going to be right back. Alright, so these are the items that I'm going to be needing to take this thing out. This flathead screwdriver, just so I can pry through and get to the stuff. A little bit of WD-40 just in case if this stuff is really old and rusted, so it comes in handy. I need a, what is this, a 32 millimeter socket just to take the nut off for the axle. A hammer just in case so you can bang it out. Mallet is, you know, just if you don't want to use the hammer, you want to tap it and not do any damage, do that. A block of wood just to hit it so you don't mess up the end of this, because if you mess the end of this up, it's no good anymore. So you want to be very careful when you're messing with that. And a set of needle nose pliers just to pull the cotter pin out. So I'm gonna get right into it. Sorry about the noise. My neighbor is mowing his lawn, so hopefully you guys can still hear me. Try to get it as straight as you can get it so you can pull it right out. A little bit of, alright, here it is. Alright, so I've got the pin out right there. Next, this comes right off. This is just to lock the pin in place, keep it from moving. Next, you have the nut right there. Let me this so you guys can see. You have the nut right there in place, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Hit it with a little WD-40 just because. So here on this side, let it do its thing for a second. Oh, I'm not going to use any of my air tools. I do have air tools. I got a compressor and everything, but I'm not going to use it. This comes in handy, a breaker bar. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. Alright. Break this thing loose. Of course, spin it. So, let me see if I can get someone to step on the brakes for me while I'm doing this. I got the nut loose now. If you guys run into that problem and you can't get it and the brake is just turning, the whole wheel and everything is turning, or the rotor is turning, just see if you can have somebody just step on the brake for you. Hold it real tight, hold it real hard actually, while you go ahead and take it off. So Let me get this nut out. And then I'm pretty much 90% there. This is the only thing holding the axle in place. So now I just gotta beat it out, no homo. So that's what the block of wood is for. And this. Alright, I'm gonna substitute and use the mallet now. You got to be really careful on this part because you don't want to mess up. You don't want to mess up the end of this axle, because if you mess it up, then it's no good. So you just want to be gentle, as gentle as you can, but as hard as you can. That's what she said, right? But all right, let's get into it. Bam. There it is. Sorry about that. Neighbor just came in the driveway, kind of. As you guys see, man, the axle is now out. So we're good to go. Just gonna take the nut, put the nut on the end of it. We are good to go. That's all I got for you guys today. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and one more thing. I'll tell you a secret. If you guys don't hit the bell next to the subscribe button, what's the point of subscribing? Or if y'all subscribe to me, you don't hit that bell, you're not gonna know if I put something out new, put a new video out. So make sure y'all hit that bell button, smack that like, smack subscribe, smack everything. Just smack it all, you feel me? Until next time, I'll see y'all on the flip side. Have a good one.